Assalamu alaikum class. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to start pair of words and these pair of words are mentioned on your page number 11 of handbooks. So please open them. Let's get started with the definition of pair of words. These are also known as homonyms and these are the sound which when pronounced are same but are spelled differently and have different meanings. Means two words which are pronounced in the same way but are having different meanings and different spellings. Altar. Raised place on which offerings are made to a god in Christian churches, a communion table. Beta altar means basically it is a type of table which is present in the church on which the offerings are given to the gods according to the Christianity. And the other altar means to change. The sentence of it is, I am sorry, I cannot alter my decision. The change one alter is ALTER, while the alter ALTAR means the table. Okay, so just remember ALTAR means the table one alter. Okay, and ALTER means alter, which means to change. Now the second one is angel, 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 which means it is a creation of God. He is an angel, not a man. Angle, a triangle has three angles. Angle means it is a figure that is formed by the combination of two rays. Aunt, AUNT, aunt. My aunt sent me a birthday present. Aunt basically represents your relative. Ant, the ant was going to drown. It is a type of insect. Air, birds, avocation. It means hobby or pastime. The sentence is, his vocation is law, but gardening is his avocation. Vocation. His vocation is medicine, but painting is his avocation. Vocation means profession and avocation means hobby. Fly in the air. Heir. He is an heir to a large property. Heir. We hope you will return ere long. HEIR is also pronounced like and it means that you can say someone who is going to hold something or the master of something, okay? Uh, the ERE means before. Artist. A person who practices one of the fine arts, majorly poetry and painting. Now we all know that fine arts is of many types. So artist, if you are going to say artist, then it means a person who is expert in poetry and painting. ARTISTE is pronounced as artiste, and this involves a person who is a professional singer or dancer. Then the other word ARTISAN is pronounced as artisan, a person who practices some of the handicrafts like carpenter and potter. The other pair of word is apposite, APPOSITE, apposite. Principal made very opposite remarks on the necessity. Apposite means proper, or you can say judicious, information that is based on the facts and figures and does justice as well. Okay, so it is opposite. OPPOSITE. Opposite means standing in front of or contrary. Contrary means against. Standing in front of means the same. My house is situated opposite to the post office. ANTIC. Antic. The antics of the clown at the Russian circus greatly amused the spectators. Antic means awkward moment or embarrassing moment. ANTIQUE. Antique. It means of old times. I have a number of antique coins with me. ANCIENT. Ancient. That which is not modern. War was not destructive in ancient times as it is in these days. Old. That which is not new. I like my old hat better than new. Ancient basically represents an age, an era, while old represents something that is with you for many years. Accident. 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 Happening by chance. Many passengers died in an accident. OCCIDENT. Occident. The whole Occident is deprived of the sense of morality. Occident means west. The direction west. Okay, I hope you are being cleared with the meanings, pronunciation and sentences of the pair of words. So now start learning. If you are having any sort of confusion, then you can ask it from me.